Sup guys, this is a new Hat with Harness video, and today we have a new unboxing. The first car of the unboxing is the Fast Fillion. This casting is not highly appreciated, it is normal, but it is from the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games series, which makes it special. The next car is the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. About this car we can say that it's incredible, its design is admirable, in my opinion I love it. Now we have the red rod, a cool fantasy casting, and the white looks good in this casting. The fourth is the Porsche 970 LH, an aerodynamic car that doesn't look good in blue. The next is the 92 BMW M3. With German polished stampers, this BMW is from the HW Rescue series, and the lack of detail at the rear and front is notable. Now we have the custom 56 4-track. This one is a regular treasure hunt. This is the RTH of the K-Case 2020, and this opportunity it is decorated with red, blue, yellow and green. The wheels are blue, green and white, with a very cool design. The number 7 is the 82 Hudson Hornet. And this is a legendary, the famous Hudson Hornet. In 2020 we had the back on the main lane with red tempos. Now is the turn of the 76 Greenwood Corvette, a casting that pays off. If you take it in your hands and analyze it, I assure you that you will not regret having it. It looks like a simple casting, and it is, but I think the best word to describe it is sexy. We continue with the Against the Road, a new model for 2020. This casting is a mix of a hot rod and an old track, with an extra skeleton in the rear that makes it special. And the last one is the party wagon of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This model deserved to participate in the main, and it did well, as we have good details in the roof and in the front. I also want to add that it is very good. And this was the unboxing of the week. If you want to subscribe, like the video. Bye bye.